And they're on their way. One slow out. Pills game. Balota. Tameret Cat. Moving up by the rail. In between runners. She's Commandant. Nicole's Choice is on the outside. Then followed by Please Do. Next in line is Sentry number 7. Open Mind. And Pills game is running at the tail of the field as they round a 3/4 mile distance. Tameret Cat is still setting the pace by about 4 lengths. Running in second is Nicole's Choice. Balota is by the rail. Please Do moving up in between runners. Open Mind is by the rail. Running second last, She's Commandant. And trailing the group is Phil's Game as they pass the last 900 and going to the final 800. It's Tameret Cat continues to be the leader this time by only a length. Moving up by the release Open Mind now cutting the lead to only a neck and still moving up now catching the lead. Open Mind now takes the lead. Tameret Cat drops back in second. Balota is racing in third. Then moving up party outside. She's Commandant by the rail. Please Do. Nicole's Choice and Pills Game still in behind them as they turn for home. Two runners are fighting it out for the lead. Open Mind running by the rail. Tameret Karisari outside. Balota and She's Commandant. We have entry number 7. Open Mind. Tameret Cat. Balota in between runners and leading the finish line. Open Mind. Balota in between runners. Tameret Cat. And finally, Open Mind. Balota. Tameret Cat. She's Commandant. Pills Game. Then comes Please Do and Nicole's Choice.